Hi, I'm Matthew, and welcome to beautiful Southern Illinois. It's blistering hot out today. I don't know if you can see it back there, but it's steamy. The cicadas are going to town. Hopefully you don't hear that. And there's some turkeys back there gobbling. Well, I'm going to do an unboxing video from Phoenix. And I don't even know what knife this is. This is a cold steel little boot dagger or whatever you like to call it. I kind of like these smaller knives sometimes just because they slip in your pocket pretty easily. And if you had to use them, good luck. But they're nice for doing little odd tasks here and there. And go right down the middle. There's always those little strings in that packaging tape. You got a nice little card there. Packing slip. Packing foam. Epic Peppermint. I had asked on one of the forums if anybody had this. It's a holographic label, so I'm not going to shine it too much in the camera. But I was curious to see how this compared to the cane, which is another peppermint. That is peppermint. I can't wait to try this out to see if it's insulated feeling. Be nice on a day like this. I also got something else here. I don't think this is the can't remember. Oh yeah, so I was on the fence about some star jelly, and I decided to get the frostbite because I thought, with this being peppermint, I do love menthol, but the frostbite, if I remember correctly, just smelled like menthol. So I thought, you know what, that would go with anything, you know. And I don't want to buy a star jelly for every scent, because sometimes you don't know if that scent is going to be for you. Stay tuned to see this one. Nice. That's probably the 4th or 5th star jelly that I've got that goes along with the soap. And there is a little sample in here of Strange Island. I'm gonna have to smell that here in just a second. But I did get the, it comes in this little bag, but I did get the matching splash for the Epic Peppermint. Ooh, don't drop that. It's not gonna hurt it, but. Speaking of firecracker, have you guys tried that fireworks from PAA? I've been thinking about getting it. I just haven't pulled the trigger, lit the fuse, or whatever you want to say. No pun intended. But here's the matching splash. Stay tuned for an upcoming video with that. While we're here, I'm gonna, I don't know, has this been released yet? Seems like I seen a text on this, but I'm gonna take a little, I'm waiting on the droid to come out. Floyd droid. I've got mixed feelings on that. I will try that again later when it's probably not so humid. Scent profile on that is bergamot, sage, lavender, white musk. Some other good stuff. But I'll probably smell that when my nose isn't filled with such humidity. Maybe in the air condition. Put a little on the skin. Give it a smell. That's the best way to try it, because a lot of times when you smell that out of the tub, your body has to react with it to get an accurate smell, or at least it does for me. Well guys, thanks for watching the video, sticking with it on the the unboxing. I really appreciate it. And you guys have a good rest of the week.